Right, so our Navalha. It's a simple movement, it looks cool, it can be used as an attack, but also it's a good setup to floreios. What's even better is that the only thing you need for our Navalha is one-handed cartwheel. Once you know that, you can do it. Let's get into the tutorial. The full Navalha movement is from standing position. This little foot twist to the side is gonna change how you do our Navalha because it opens up your hip and the movement becomes easier to do. There are a few very important things you have to remember about this movement. The most common mistake people do with our Navalha is traveling. They travel, they treat it as normal one-handed cartwheel. It's not. Very common mistake is to do our Navalha and then rapidly stand up and your head goes up. This is extremely dangerous within capoeira game. You have to be very careful what's happening with your head when you finish the movement, when you stand up. There you go, it is that simple. Let me show you a couple applications.